How's it going, everybody? Vermont Tool Company. We're back with our notorious VIM tools. This is going to be the 34-piece ball hex and ball torque tool kit. Looks like it's made in Taiwan. That's what you guys usually want to see. Wow, that's a really nice case, you guys. There's the part number FRBB34. You can go on VermontToolCompany.com right now and buy this set for yourself. Let's open it up. Let's take a look. There's all your bits. Take another gas over it. And then we got our ratchet piece right there. There's the push release. We got the extension. An adapter piece. And you guys let me know what this is down in the comments below. We do have a part number, so I assume most of these parts can be replaced. Yep. And there is a lifetime warranty on this. And you can find VIM Tools. There's the part number on our website at VermontToolCompany.com.